Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your POCO C50. So we have a Google Lens on this device, so there is two ways, by the Google Lens and by the web browser. I'm going to show you the first method, by the Google Lens. So we have to open the gallery app, then look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. Okay, sorry, that's a memorial, so never mind, choose the photo from your gallery. And now tap on the Google Lens icon. And now the process is starting automatically and we are looking for similar images in the Google database. That was the first method. Now the second one. We have to open the web browser, go to the google.com, and now it's very necessary step. Open your web browser settings and switch your web browser to the desktop side to see the Google like in the computer or laptop. Okay, and now tap on the camera icon, choose upload a file. You have to add the permissions to the files before, and now just choose the photo like before. And it's work exactly the same. We are looking for similar or the same images now, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.